Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by restarting your phone to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. After restart, open Settings and go to Battery to confirm Show Battery Percentage is enabled. If it already shows enabled, toggle it off and on to force a UI refresh. Next, boot into Safe Mode for testing by holding the power button and tapping Restart then Safe Mode. Safe Mode disables third-party apps so you can see whether an app causes the stuck percentage. If the percentage changes in Safe Mode, uninstall recently installed or updated apps. Calibrate the battery by charging it to 100%, then use the phone until it reaches about 3%. After it reaches 3%, charge uninterrupted to 100% to recalibrate the battery stats. Next, clear the system cache or cache partition using recovery mode to remove corrupted indicator data. Also open Play Store and update all apps, then check settings for an Android system update and apply any available updates. Reboot after updates so the system can rebuild battery usage statistics correctly. If software troubleshooting fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to restore defaults. Factory reset removes system corruption that can make the percentage stick and often resolves deep software issues. After reset, set up the phone and observe the battery percentage behavior before reinstalling all apps. Check battery health in settings or use a diagnostic app to read capacity and charge cycles. If health shows low capacity or abnormal cycles, visit a certified repair shop for battery replacement or manufacturer diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.